Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest virtual walking tour video. Today, I'm excited to take you on a stroll along the romantic beaches of Krabi, Thailand. If you're a beach lover like me, then this is definitely a video you won't want to miss. Before we start, I'd like to ask you to click the like button below if you enjoy this video. Your support means a lot to me and it helps me to create more content like this in the future.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. Now let's get started. As we walk along the beaches of Krabi, you'll be amazed by the stunning scenery that surrounds us. The crystal clear waters of the Andaman Sea, the soft white sand, and the towering limestone cliffs all come together to create a truly breathtaking landscape. One of the most popular beaches in Krabi is Zaonang Beach, and it's easy to see why. The long stretch of soft sand and calm waters make it a perfect spot for swimming and sunbathing. You'll see plenty of locals and tourists alike enjoying the beach, with umbrellas and sun loungers available for rent. Moving along, we come to Railay Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. As our tour comes to a close, I hope you enjoyed this virtual walk along the romantic beaches of Krabi, Thailand. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know which beach was your favorite. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more virtual travel experiences.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!